Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and today I have a Rocksbox. This is my favorite jewelry subscription. I love it. It's rental. So they send you 3 pieces of jewelry for $21 a month. You try the jewelry on, decide if you want to pay for it or if you just want to send it back. You keep it for as long as you want. As soon as you send that one back, they're going to send you a preview for more. You can approve it or switch it out for something else. But it is only $21 a month, not a box. You can get multiple boxes in a month. I love it. And it's a great way to keep your jewelry fresh and new. If you're like me, you wear something a few times and you're like, and then everything just gets clogged up. This way, it's all new and fresh. But if there is that one piece that you know would go with everything, you are able to buy it. The more you buy, the bigger of discount you get. I'm still on a low discount because I don't buy a lot of it. I just send most of it back. I think I get about 5% on most things, but some brands, they don't give the discounts on it, like Kendra Scott, which is one of my favorites, by the way. If you want to try Rocksbox, I do have a code and a link. I do have a code for you to use. It is GANAPBFF45, and that will give you your first set free plus $25 of forever credit, which means the credit doesn't expire, so you can use it whenever you want to. So let's open the box. All right, so here's the bag. Keep the bag because this is what you're going to return your products in. And you just put the label over the old label. Take it back to the post office when you're done with what you want. Look at Fall's box. I just love this design. Super cute. Right now, they're actually running a special. If I keep 2 pieces, I get $10 off. If I keep 3 pieces, I get $20 off. So they do specials like that, and I don't know why I was thinking about it because it's right here. It says stock up and save. $10 off when you buy 2, $20 when you buy 3. New season, new styles. Refresh your fall wardrobe by keeping your set for the unmatched value. Limited time only. So, very good. Hey, gorgeous. Back here is your care instructions. It tells you how to properly clean your jewelry and what to do with the demi-fine. Of course, you know, never get it wet. Make sure all your makeup and perfume is dry before you put any of it on. You know, stuff like that. Don't swim in it. Don't get in the shower with it. That kind of stuff. Your return label is in here on the bottom along with your price sheet. If I keep everything this time, it's $195. Of course, that's before my discounts. That's before my $21 off because that is returned back to you, by the way, your $21 each month. Any forever credit I might have, and my discount that I'm getting this month. So, very interesting. Let's look. Ooh, I see Kendra Scott. I love Kendra Scott. I think I mentioned that a few times. All right, let's see what is in here. These are the Payton drop earrings in gold and bronze veined lapis turquoise. Look, y'all. These are so stunning in person. I hope the camera's picking it up. Very beautiful earrings. The dimension in the stone is so pretty. Let's try them on. I think I mentioned to y'all before that I have been looking for some color in my earrings because, you know, sometimes you just want a little pop of color on your ears. And so these fit the bill. I had to see how heavy they would be though, because my ears don't always like heavy. They are a little heavy, but not bad. But I think they're pretty. I mean, I think they're cute. They're a little bold. If you don't like bold, you probably wouldn't like them. But I think they're cute. What do y'all think? Do you like them? They are $98. I won't be keeping them, but at least I can wear a $98 pair of earrings and then send it right back. I think that's great. I do. I think that's really nice. Just to rent something and send it right back. All right, next is a Rudiment bag. This is the Lombard Dog Tag Necklace in gold. Its original price is $65. My member price would be $55. Now, I couldn't tell on the picture online what was on the tag. I knew it was a dog tag like style, but I couldn't tell what was on it. And I was a little worried it was going to be something I didn't like. But, and I still can't see it very good, but you know, I have bad eyes. Rudiment styles are crafted with 14 karat gold and silver plated finishes. So here it is. It looks like a snake. It kind of looks like a snake on there. On the back, it's just solid gold. It does have an extender on here with the claw clip. I mean, it's pretty. I think it's very pretty. I like the hint of green in the gold. I think it's cute. But if anybody ever asked me what was in there, I would not know. All right, let me move on. I know I'm silly. So these are Aster Carissa Huggies, originally $50. My price would be $42. And I thought these were just a cute little detail. Let's take these off. Getting them open might be the problem. This one opened right up. The other one is just a little stiff. That one is very hard to unlatch. Could you imagine if I got it on my ear and couldn't get it off? I would go into panic mode. See, that's a cute little earring. It gives you a hint of color. It's got a little of the dangly I like. I think that's a cute little earring. I mean, I could see myself wanting to pay for this. Maybe not $42, but I'll enjoy wearing it. Probably my favorite piece out of all of them. I don't know. What do y'all think? Y'all tell me what your favorite piece was. I would really appreciate it if while you're down there, you go ahead and press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribing to my channel is free, so I would really appreciate it if you do press that subscribe button down there, press that notification bell. If you want to donate to your creator, there's two ways to do that. You can buy me a cup of coffee. There is a link for that down there below. Or you can use the super thanks, which is like giving a tip through YouTube. Thank you so very much if you decide to do any of that stuff. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.